I like this checklist. This checklist right here just basically tells you why I love it, why I wished I had this resource when I started teaching, actually. It's the fact that it's easy as 1, 2, 3, and that's written specifically. You'll see when we talk about the 1, 2, 3 easy steps. It hits all 4 strands on the road to proficiency. How many times, I don't know if you're out in social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, even Instagram, teachers talk about, I need more listening activities, particularly. That's something that seems to be really missing in a lot of people's programs. So it covers the whole thing of listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Multiple intelligences. I've seen it. I've seen my students who are better. They're kinesthetic learners. They do much better when I get them out of their seats and doing things. They do much better with music, some of them. Others with art. They can express themselves with art. The DJ DELF Kit makes sure that those types of students are covered. Editable assessment and evaluation tools, not edible. You can't eat the DJ DELF Kit. I apologize. You can change the, because you get the evaluation tools in a Word document. So you can add class lists, you can change the rubrics, you can change the verification lists, you can change the audio evaluation sheets. Covers 100% of my curriculum. No matter if you teach Alberta, British Columbia, United States, Ontario, your curriculum has been redone in 6 or 7 pages. Like the Ontario curriculum, elementary or secondary, is redone. The 300 plus pages are redone in 6 easy to follow pages that you put in front of your daybook. You can show your administrator, hey, look, I'm covering the curriculum. They'll be so excited, they'll make you the next director. Real life authentic tasks and tools, apps, menus, order forms, stuff like that. Getting the students doing real life things. Adaptable, editable activities. If you get the download, you will get them in PDF files, but if there's particular activities that you like, that you want to change, you can get them in Word. For example, the map for the Suivez mes directions life aspect, that is available in Word. So you could take the map, you can change the street names, you can rearrange where the police station, the fire station, the town hall is, and make it more applicable to your town or city. Finally, low cost and forever free add-ons. I wanted to create a program that was as absolutely low to literally low to cost, pass it on to you, and then promise forever free add-ons. And they're called booster packs. So every time we add something really cool, we add it in the booster pack section, and you just download it and go ahead and use it.